हे गाइस, वेलकम टू द चैनल। सो मैंने आज 37,700 का पुट शॉट की है एट 380 विद एसएल ऑफ 15 पॉइंट्स। 295 का एसएल होगा इसमें और फर्स्ट टारगेट 100 पॉइंट्स से रखूँगा। और रीज़न बीइंग कि जो कल के सपोर्ट लेवल से बैंक निफ्टी के वहाँ से बैंक निफ्टी रिवर्स कर रहा था, इसलिए मैंने ट्रेड ले लिया। तो थोड़ी देर में देखते हैं इसमें क्या होता है।
And starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get up, stop wasting time. Yeah, I wanna run off and fly. And I tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver, no more heartbreaks, tears, pain.
Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, everyday, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard, or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing